Are you a healthcare professional trying to grow your wealth but don't have the time to manage your investments? Well, you are not alone. Between hospital shifts, patient care, and family life, it is hard to stay on the top of finances, right? But what if I told you there is a simple way to build your wealth without spending hours managing it? Welcome to Wealth Compass for Medics. I am Debashish Bajpayee, and in today's video, we are diving into the basics of mutual funds, what they are, how they work, and why they are perfect for healthcare professionals like you. As a healthcare professional, your focus is on improving lives. But while you are busy saving others, is your money working hard enough for you? The solution could be as simple as investing in mutual funds. But I get it, terms like NAV, SIP, and portfolio can seem overwhelming. That's why in this video series, I'll break it all down step by step, starting today with Mutual Funds 101. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what a mutual fund is, why you should invest in one, and how it can help you achieve your financial goals, whether it is meeting up all your financial goals or wealth creation. Ready? Let us dive into it. First off, what is mutual fund? In simple terms, it is a pool of money collected from many investors like you that is managed by a professional, individual, or a team of professionals called fund manager. This fund invests in stocks, bonds, or other assets. Instead of you picking individual stocks or bonds, a mutual fund gives you access to diversified portfolios, reducing your risk while helping you grow your wealth. Think of it like a team of experts working around the clock to make smart decisions for you. And the best part, you don't need to monitor it daily, which is perfect for a busy professional in healthcare segment. So why should you care about mutual funds? Here's the thing. As healthcare professionals, your income is strong, but so is your workload. You don't have the luxury of time to analyze the stock market or rebalance your investments every few weeks. Mutual funds do the heavy lifting for you. And the options are endless. Whether you want to grow for retirement or save for your child's education, there's a mutual fund for every goal. Large cap, mid cap, debt funds, hybrid funds, you name it, there is a strategy tailored to your needs. One of the most common questions I get is, how do I start investing? It is easier than you think. All you need is a small initial investment, sometimes as low as rupees 500 a month through SIPs, systematic investment plans. With time, this small amount can compound and help you achieve your financial objectives. Don't worry if this feels overwhelming right now. In this series, I'll guide you through the entire process from understanding SIPs to choosing the right mutual funds based on your risk profile and goals. Ready to take control of your financial future? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your wealth the smart way. And if you are a healthcare professional wanting personalized financial advice, click the link in the description of the video for a free consultation with me. Even in the end card of the video, you'll find my email ID. You can just drop me a mail, or you can go to my website. The address is given in the end card. You can fill up the contact form and I'll call you back and we will have a free one-to-one consultation. Let's work together to secure your future. Until next time, remember, while you care for others, let your money care for you. Thank you.